In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store settings to manage taxes and duties efficiently. Whether you're just setting up your online store or fine-tuning your existing setup, understanding these settings is crucial for ensuring a smooth shopping experience for your customers and compliance with tax regulations. We'll start by accessing your Shopify admin. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Shopify website. Log in with your credentials to access your store's admin page. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Home section of your Shopify dashboard. This is your store's command center where you can access all major features and settings. The next step is to navigate to the Settings section of your dashboard. You can find the Settings option in the lower left corner of your Shopify admin panel. Click on it. This will open a new page displaying a variety of categories that you can configure for your store. Each category is dedicated to a different aspect of your store's operation, from shipping settings to payment providers and, of course, taxes. Now, let's focus on configuring taxes and duties. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Taxes and Duties. Click on this option. This section allows you to manage how taxes are applied to the products you sell. It's essential to configure this section accurately to ensure compliance with regional tax regulations and transparency with your customers. Upon entering the Taxes and Duties page, you'll see a series of checkboxes related to different tax settings. At this point, you may find some or all of these boxes checked by default. These boxes usually represent various automatic settings that Shopify applies to help streamline your store's operations. In today's setup, we want to disable certain automatic settings to gain more control over the taxes applied in your store. You will need to uncheck the boxes in the available options. Simply click on each checked box to uncheck it. Once you uncheck a box, it will remove any automatic settings tied to that particular option, allowing you to customize your preferences more freely. Remember, changes in tax settings can influence how taxes are displayed during checkout and might affect the final price your customers see. It's always a good idea to double-check your local tax laws or consult with a tax professional if you're unsure about which settings are right for your store. Following these steps should help you manage your Shopify store's tax settings effectively, allowing you to maintain control over how taxes are applied to sales in your store. Your customers will appreciate the clarity and transparency this adds to their shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!